Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Tuesday, May 30th, 4:23 p.m. Commodities. The commodity markets, they're still open. They don't close till 5 p.m. New York time. Still have a little bit more than 35 minutes. Yep. And then they'll reopen again, 6 p.m. New York time, all the way through to the next day till 5 p.m. It's a good thing about futures, longer trading hours. Looking here at the group of commodities, starting off with the energy, such as crude oil and natural gas. Looking at the weekly charts. Current candle is an inside candle. The past 3 weeks, lower highs. The trend is down. Potential target all the way down here. Retest this low, maybe around $95. We'll see if we break below 100 and go lower. One of the reasons is demand is drying up. Well, you have the largest cities in China shut down. They do manufacturing and large populations, less demand of crude oil, as well as other cities and communities worldwide. So short term, we can see crude oil pull back more, lower. I would not be buying up here. No, I'll be looking for shorting opportunities. Natural gas. Well, several weeks ago, I showed this high tail as a potential retest area, and that's what it's done. And now, tested the $8 and high tail now, so there's profit taking. Yeah. Even a pullback, I'll look for potential reload further to the upside. Also, I mentioned this is a demand zone, and it came there multiple times. It's looking good. That was the opportunity to be buying. Buying. Well, now I'll be sitting on hands waiting for that retracement. Let's look at metals. Gold. Well, we have that high tail there. We didn't do a big retest of that yet. Yep. So potential still in the future for retest. But the current trend is down. We're pulling back. And look at that low already. 1850 into this prior demand zone. Potential buyers. So again, with the Fed tomorrow, potential raising interest rates might make a reverse. Might be a buying opportunity now as well as overnight, pre-market tomorrow. Yeah, see what happens with that. And looking at silver, let's just again reiterate. Look here, big round number, 1850. Wick on the bottom, buyers are already stepping in. Silver, key demand zone, it's touching it already. Long tail on the bottom, demand zone, buyers already stepping in. On the downside, yep, that was a swing low. We took it out, big impulse move down, so we move that line. Again, another key level. Metals overall, strong. Platinum. It already reversed, went in this demand zone last week, and this week, already higher high, higher low, testing this midpoint in the huge candle. And I'm not going to remove it because the week is not done yet. Want to see what happens. So we know we got a high tail here, potential retest. And another metal, copper, very important for industrial use. So yep, long tail there, took it out. So let's update this. And then when it took that out, or actually did a retest, then it took out the swing low. That was last week, big impulse move down, where we moved that yellow horizontal line. And already took out the swing low down here, inside a prior demand zone. And it's not done yet the week. So interesting. Again, key level, long tail, buyers already stepping in. So across the board, look at all these metals. Again, we're looking at the weekly time frame. They're all showing the same thing. What's the same thing? They have longer tails on the bottom, wicks, shadows, whatever you want to call them, than on top. So there's currently in demand accumulation. Let's go to the agricultural grains and livestock, some important stuff. Corn, inside candle for the week. Interesting, where we have many other commodities already trending. We're in acceleration phase here. And look at that long wick, that green candle. We had a retest as expected. We also, prior weeks, took out that swing high. Remove that. So last week, corn was at all-time new high for the year. Strong like bull. Wheat, huge wick there, has not yet tested. No, it's breaking down. Lower highs, trend is down. Looks like it's just a retracement. And we'll see how far it goes. Already have the swing low identified. Be interesting if this is going to do 100%. 100% would be what? Well, from the bottom there. Soy. Yeah, prior weeks, look at that. Huge wick, didn't do a good test, so it's not completed, nor took out that swing high yet. But it did reverse, already testing the midpoint. Huge candle there. So we have what up here? We have distribution, sellers up here. And now, because it broke below this swing low, right there, in the midpoint of here, well, it's all body, yeah, bearish. So again, momentum's to the downside. One would expect still it's going to do a retest, possibly in this demand zone. Live cattle. So all the way back here multiple times, the swing low, yellow horizontal line, multiple times testing it, and tails on top of it, close above it, except that one, close below it, inside candle right now. I'm going to remove it. So, but again, it's been acting as an area where buyers stepping in. We're up here. Hasn't been all a retest yet. Nope. Yeah, we're making lower highs, lower lows, inside candle currently, and tight consolidation. That would be concerning if we break below that. That swing low. Again, break below here for the agricultural. Oof. That'd be interesting. And find it hard to believe that they're all going to be going lower. I expect them to go higher. Yeah. But again, some of them may just do that. Or find out. And feeder cattle. It's already green for the week, higher high than last week. Took out that swing low, rejected, and turned around. Let's remove this. There's some massive consolidation here. Potential target up in this area, retest. And lean hog. So there we go. High shadow up there, has not been retested yet. Did a huge impulse move down, tested that midpoint, broke below it, closed below it, and now gunning for this demand zone of buyers. So let's update this. Interesting too. So that break down here from here, this gap all the way there. Still, it's not been filled yet. So we can have a fast move into here. Bunch of buyers step in and run it back higher. This gap does not necessarily have to get filled, and there's no time frame when it has to be filled. Again, these are commodities. Watch this cautiously. Yeah. Let's go look at something faster. What would be faster? Let's look at the hourly. Same thing on the commodities on the hourly time frame. Why? Because these are the most active ones considered trading. Crude oil and gold on there. Day trading and swing trading. Okay, here we go. Crude oil overnight. This is 15-minute candle. Actually, let's just do it better on the hourly. Last web saw. Let's do the hourly. Okay, I'll keep it here. So notice Monday, and then early this morning, Tuesday, broke below 105. A lot of volatility between that 105, 104 going down. So you can use these intraday time frames, not just for day trading, but for swing trading. Swing trading may be for a few days. So notice this here, down here. What is it? Well, here was a breakout. Had this consolidation breakout. And what did we do? We did nearly 100% retracement of this breakout, or maybe at 100%. So now maybe this, you may see overnight a pop-up, and a pop-up may be looking for the opportunity to trade bearish, because I showed you a higher time frame. Crude oil looks bearish. Or again, you trade both directions. But now let's look at this on metal, gold. Again, 15-minute time frame. Sunday night, first from here, went lower Monday. Again, bullish gold, maybe. Well, I am. So you have gold here Monday, made a lower low overnight, never retested it. And then now, and plus today, we had that higher high during primary hours than then. So again, you might see some volatility both directions, but closer into the morning market hours, you may actually see gold. Before the New York session opens, we may see gold taking out this high. Yeah, maybe occurring during the Asian or London session. So those trading opportunities. Many thanks for watching.